Extreme accuracy, simple and fast. That is what the CutX is all about. And to prove it, today we want to show you how the CutX achieves exceptional results by showcasing you 4 applications. We went through the machining of 4 challenging parts, which enabled us to highlight exactly those aspects, making the CutX extremely accurate and fast. To guide us through these 4 applications, it's my pleasure to have here on my side today Mr. Edward Schick from Sales Support.
Hello Caroline, thank you for your introduction.
Thank you, Edward, for being here. But before actually diving into those applications, we would like to explain how every machine leaving our Lozone factory meets the high standards we are committed to give our clients on the CutX series. A variety of tests are being performed, very accurate tests. Among those, I think the most important would be the 19 holes test, which is performed to ensure a pitch accuracy of ±1 micron, which is very impressive. Edward, could you explain us this process a little bit more in detail?
With a pleasure, Caroline. Yes, as you mentioned right before, the 19 hole plates is a test from a lot of tests which every CutX has to go through to make sure that we met our GF standards, which are quite strict. So therefore we prepared a video which we want to present you now and go more in detail. Here we see our plate with 19 holes. We have this plate for all our sizes of the CutX machine to make sure we can deliver everywhere the pitch accuracy which we promise. These 19 holes we machine within 30 hours of erosion. After we finish the plate, we give it to our colleagues in the measurement department, and they use one of the most accurate measurement machines to make sure that every hole which we machined before on the CutX machine has a pitch accuracy which we promised. So not only between the single holes, but it's also really important for our customers to have the pitch accuracy about ±1 micron on the whole travelway of the machine.
Thank you very much for your very clear explanation, Edward. But I have some questions at this point. I heard there are 19 holes. Why are there 19 holes and not, for example, 4?
Yeah, that's a really good question. We could make it simple, cut only the 4 holes, and then, okay, we have this pitch accuracy. But finally, we never know where our customers are placing the part in the machine. And to make sure the customer will enjoy the pitch accuracy about ±1 micron, which we promised to him, doesn't matter where he places his part, we decided to make this pattern on this plate, so we make sure we can guarantee the pitch accuracy which we promised.
That makes sense. But also I want to ask you, I heard there is a machining time of 30 hours. That is a long time. Why not less? And also, can it be a quicker process if you reduce the diameter of the holes, for example?
Exactly, this is what we could do. We could do reduction of the diameter, or we could even do less holes to be faster.
I was sensing there was a but coming.
Exactly. There's a sense behind. I mean, we want to make sure that even if our customers have a long machining time, to keep the pitch accuracy which we promised, and therefore we decided, okay, we have to find a way, because also we have customers, they have parts which takes 50 hours or less. So we decided 30 hours is a good average to make sure the thermocompensation is working, and also we can keep the pitch accuracy of ±1 micron.
That is impressive, I gotta say.
Yes.
Edward, I know that for the CutX we developed a specific benchmark punch in order to test its accuracy. Is that correct?
Exactly.
Right. So what I want to ask you is if you could show us some details, some characteristics about this piece and maybe highlight the criticalities that allow the CAT X to perform at its superior standards.
Yes, the CAT X, after entering the final stage of the production line, we perform this benchmark punch, which we call it internally, on the CAT X to make sure that we can deliver the promised accuracy of the machine. What is quite important to say is that we have at this punch a section which is quite challenging to machine by wire EDM. So let's go a little bit more in detail and have a look at the challenging internal benchmark punch. Here we have the workpiece information. Important to know is maybe that we use a wire with diameter 0.2 millimeters. And as I was explaining before, we have on this piece a really special section, which is quite complicated to machine. As we can see here, it looks like a wave actually, but what is challenging is that we go from one radius into another radius, and then, as we will see right now, we start from really big radius and going smaller and smaller and smaller. Why we do this? We have to do this also with open and closed guides, because finally also here we don't know what the customer will finally use. But what we want to show and also to check is that we are able, with the CAT X, doesn't matter which guide system we use, we can maintain the tolerance on this part on plus minus 2 micron.
So Edward, thank you for explaining this so well, and we know by now that the CAT X is a very accurate machine. Although I wanted to ask you, from the video I could get that we highlighted the fact that there is the same result in both when we use an open guide or a closed guide. Is that correct?
Exactly, yes.
And why is that? Does that apply only to the CAT X or to any machine?
Exactly, there we wanted to show that it's the first machine in the history of EDM that is able to use the open guides but also the closed guides. And it doesn't matter which system you have to use, because you want to use the benefits of the open or closed guides, you can use it. And this, we have to say thank you to the new technology of 3D printing, because this, only thanks to this, we were able to produce new compact heads and also integrate a cartridge system where you can easily change in a quick time from open to closed guides.
That is so impressive.
Yes, I know.
The part we'll be presenting now is actually an application from ICT, and we're going to be speaking about a punch. But this punch presents a quite complex geometry, and I get a feeling, Edward, that the accuracy of the machine has been pushed very close to his limits. Is that correct?
Yes, exactly. It's challenging, but also here we can really show the benefits of the CAT X regarding speed. So let's have a look together. This workpiece is coming from a customer which is producing stamping tools for the ICT industry. To be able to define the diameter, it is necessary to know the smallest internal radius. In this case, we have an internal radius of 0.07, so we have to use a wire with a diameter 0.1. Due to the fact that the CAT X has the possibility to handle 2 spools, in combination with the twin wire technology, the open guide system and our well-known automatically wire changer, we are able to machine faster. We prepare the CAT X now with both spools. On one side the 0.2 wire and on the other side the 0.1 wire. We will select the twin wire technology, and thanks to our automatic wire changer, we are able to do the main cut with the bigger diameter of wire, and this makes it possible to go a little bit faster than only by using the 0.1 wire. Later, the automatic wire changer will change the wire to a diameter of 0.1 and finalize the part with all the necessary details. The result is a faster machining, which allows us to produce more workpieces compared to a machine with only one spool.
Well, that was so clear, and I really don't have any questions to that. Thank you.
Super fine.
Thank you very much. The part we're going to present now comes from the ICT application, and it is an example of die used to produce very small pins. I gotta say, Edward, I am really impressed by the tiny dimensions of shapes that the CutX is able to machine.
Yes, Carrie. In fact, but not only the small dimensions of the pins are challenging at the particular part. In this case, the CutX achieve outstanding results even in one of the most critical phases during the machining process, the threading. Let's have a look together.
Let's have a look.
As we can see in the workpiece information, the material which we have to machine is hard metal. But this is not a real challenge for the CutX. To produce the small, tiny dimensions of the slots, we have to use the 0.05 millimeter wire. But let's come back to the real challenge. As you can see, the small slots require also a small starting hole. In this example, we talk about starting holes with a diameter of 0.15 millimeter. To be able to have a reliable threading with a success rate about 100%, you need the most reliable threading system on the market, which is provided from our CutX. After the machining, we remove the slugs, and by checking the accuracy of the contour, we can see that thanks to the CutX, the result is plus minus 1.5 micron. But not only this is important. If we have a closer look on the shape, we will see we have also radius to machine. Also here, we can achieve accuracy about plus minus 1 micron. After machining the matching stamps, if we put them together, we will easily see that thanks to the accuracy of the CutX, we will achieve the best clearance, which has a big effect on the wear of this whole stamping tool. But not only this is important, also a super homogeneous surface. In this example, we talk about RA 0.1 micron on the stamp, but also on the die. Thanks to the new X technologies and the accuracy of the CutX, you can easily achieve this.
That is really impressive. I mean, that we can thread in such a small starting hole and with 100% success rate. How can that be possible? I mean, we're talking about 0.15 millimeters. Is that correct?
Exactly. It sounds like magic, I know.
It does.
But thanks to the most reliable threading system on the market, which we provide in our CutX, we achieve these outstanding results. But let's go a little bit more in detail with the next video.
Let's watch the video.
Here we see the wire system of the CutX. The two pipes are representing the Z travel way. In the first step, we're heating up the wire inside, and afterwards we cool it down to make the wire stiffer. This improves the threading reliability even for high parts. But much more important is the tip of the wire. In the third step, we heat up the tip. Afterwards, by controlled pulling the wire, we create a wire break. But thanks to our developer, we create a perfect tip which provides you the most reliable threading system on the market with a success rate about 100%.
The application we're going to present now is a typical component used in a watch mechanism. Machining this component is again a real challenge, but this time not for its geometry or for its dimensions. There is a different reason. Can you tell me what that is?
You're right, Caroline. It's not the part itself which are challenging us. It's the cutting condition. But let's have a deeper look in the video. The best practice is to stack the material and clamp it with a special tooling, as we can see in the video. If we have a closer look at the workpiece information, you will easily understand that there is no big challenge for our new CutX machine. Let's come back to the real challenge of this part. Even with problematic cutting condition, we can provide you the perfect flushing, due to the fact that we could reduce the flushing diameter down to 5 mm. Thanks to the 3D printed head, we could also improve the flushing channels. But not only this. In this example, we have the distance between workpiece and wire guides about 12.5 mm, which is the minimum what you can reach. As we can see, even under these difficult conditions, we could maintain the contour accuracy about plus minus 1.5 micron.
In the video, we saw that the flushing has a diameter of 5 mm and that the distance between the wire guides and the workpiece is 12.5 mm. But what would have happened if we cut that piece with a previous version of a high-end cutting machine?
We would not have the same accuracy, because in the previous generation we had a flushing diameter about 10 mm, and also distance between wire guide and workpiece was 2 times more, so we talk here about 30 mm. Thanks to the 3D printing technology, we were able to reduce all these values to the minimum.
So this was the last application we wanted to present to you today. I'm sure we could prove why we consider CutX to be the most accurate and fast wire EDM machine ever produced. Edward, thank you so much for your very precise and clear informations and contributions today.
Also a big thank you to you, that you supported me really good during this presentation. But most of all, I want to thank the audience to keep the attention.
Stay tuned, we will come back soon with more exciting features about our wire EDM machines of the next generation. Extreme accuracy, simple and fast.